Hi everyone, thought I'd give you a little view of where I'm at right now, which is basically in a compound in the middle of the jungle. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a kind of wire fence about 8 feet tall, and beyond that fence is basically the rainforest. So I suppose the fence keeps out the large animals, it doesn't stop anything else. Monkeys in the morning tend to jump over looking for food and what have you. But you can see basically you've got about 20 feet of grass and then it's basically rainforest. Yesterday afternoon the rain came down here. I'm in Para. It literally lashed down. I've never seen anything like it, and then it went from crispy dry as it is again this morning to almost a swamp in about half an hour. This building here is what they call the executive block. It's actually quite comfortable inside, air conditioning, got a TV. The only problem is that there's lots of electrical noise, so DXing inside is almost impossible. Outside it's still noisy, but you don't go wandering around here at night with 100 meters of wire. You get bitten to death by the small stuff, and I wouldn't like to think what else was running around here in the middle of the night. I've got my Eton satellite tuned to 11815, and this is Radio Brazil Central, with a better signal than I've ever heard, I think, but perhaps not surprising given my location. So there you go. So that's where I am. Such an interesting place and beautiful as well. I just wish that there wasn't so much electrical noise. Now, some of my friends messaged me yesterday, having listened to a couple of videos that I posted in the last sort of couple of days, saying that the kind of noise that I'm experiencing is typical of lighting systems that you get over here, etc., which you know, I guess explains a lot really. It's a bit of a shame, but you know, nevertheless, you know, it's still a great opportunity for me. I'm sure I'll be coming back again at some point. I'm here for another week, so you know, if I do manage to hear anything else interesting, I've got about another 4 or 5 videos to upload anyway. But anything I hear in the meantime, I'll upload it to YouTube. They've got a fairly reasonable internet connection here, but because I'm a guest here, I have to kind of like log on every time I want to use it, which is a bit of a pain, but you know, you can live with that. So there you go. So here I am, and then 20 feet away is the jungle. I just thought that you'd be interested to see that. So thanks for watching, and look forward to uploading some more videos soon. Bye.